lads. Then lads, I really feel like crying right now because this is the same day I sold mine. I know you've seen that video a while ago, but I had to do it in chronological order. But I need to man up and we need to change these brakes on the Subaru because they're bloody awful. You see that, lads? See if I can focus it there. It's not going to focus, but there's absolutely nothing left on them, lads, and it sounds so bad and grinding and I can't brake. And I have to have just been on my driving off the drive. They're shocking. They need to be changed. I've never changed brakes on a Subaru before, but I've had a look online and I had a look the other day when I had the wheels off, and they literally look exactly the same as the Brembos on the Megane. Pretty much exactly the same. So I think we're going to be alright, lads. I've got some punches here to knock the pins out, but I think we're alright, lads. I think we'll be alright. Whoa, copyright lad, copyright lad. So this car isn't much as a pain to jack up as mine was, which was a fucking pain. Let's get these bloody wheel nuts cracked. No idea where the jacking points are on these. No idea where they are. I think it's just standard. There's no actual jacking points, but I can see where people have been jacking it up at, so we're going to use them. Will it fit under? Yes! The Subaru, how much easier it look like than the Megane? A hell of a lot easier, I'll tell you that for fucking free. Again, no, don't jinx it, but the calipers are pretty much the same. So there's a pin there that you whack out, pin there that you whack out. I think you whack it out that way. Yeah, you whack it out that way. And then obviously this thing pops off like it did last time and it smacked me in the face. Fun times. I didn't video it though, but I wish I did. And then pads obviously just pull out and then you have to push back the pistons in with the old pads. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. And those pliers, and then that allows the pins to go back through. Yeah, okay, right, I'll go and get some pliers. Those pliers, and then I'm going to put the pins out, but I've got to be careful because that is going to twat me in the face if I pull it out too quick, so I ain't going to video this time. But I don't think it's going to hit me in the face because A, I'm not looking directly at it, and B, I know last time it did hit me in the face, and B, and this time, C, I'm videoing, so it's definitely not going to hit me in the face because karma. Oh, I've got to be careful of that bloody thing. Right, okay. Now I can probably pull it out with these. Let's get this kit. There we go. Easy, lads. Fucking easy. Easy. So I've just loosened the cap off the brake fluid. There's a little bit less tension in it. I'm literally just going to get a long bar like this with a screwdriver on. I'm just going to push back the pistons. Push back each piston. Just like that. Look at these bloody brake pads. Sorry, I don't even think that's called a brake pad, I think that's just called a brake metal. A metal brake. Wow. That's the old one. That's the wowie woo wah. Okay, now. It just gets easier to just take the flathead off and then just use that. Obviously with the old brake pad in there, so just like this. Run the old brake pad in. Between there. And obviously, just wedge it back in. They're fully pushed in then now, so pop the brake pad on that side and do the same to the other. I'm going to do the same to the other side, and then we should be good. I'll video it myself. Light work, lads. Like the same. It's exactly the same as the Brembos and the Megane. Exactly the same. Super know what they're doing. Bang him in there, and then we've got to get that pin over the top of that. So I'm going to need two hands. So can't video, boys. Go on, give the brakes a bit of a pumpy pump. Perfect, let go. Pump them. Perfect, lovely jubbly. I can't wait to go for driving these now, like, because they were actually dangerous. I had to brake like 200 metres for all lights. Size done. Easy as that. Subaru life, loving it. Oh, my camera's doing that again. Took me about that 15 minutes, and actually I had a fun time. I actually had a full time, you know. Jacked up easy. Wheel came off easy. The wheel was light. Every point I've made is not what my Megane's done, you know. It was easy. Just everything there was easy other than the Megane. Sad that she's gone, but I mean, she fucking hell, she caused a lot of stress in my life. We need to take her for a spin though, because I actually want to see if it's good now, because I've not drove it with a decent brakes. I mean, I've drove like they were like, well, this side's not that bad. The other side's absolutely shocking. The backs need doing sooner or later, but I think there's got a while left in them. And yes, I did get Brembo pads, everybody. I know everyone's going to kick off about getting Brembo pads, but I needed them on the ASAP Rocky thing. Or the EBC. Oh yeah, yellow stuff. Someone put yellow, yeah, see, look, yellow stuff. So yeah, they did have yellow stuff on. They didn't look very yellow now, but I mean, God knows when they're going to put it on. But to be fair though, the backs have got yellow stuff on and they've still got a bit left. So at least we know that this car is heavy footed to the front. My Megane was pretty much the same all around, like my back wore out the same as my front did. So, no, we'll go for a drive. I feel like a race car now, I bet. Well, on Brembo pads, but you know, whatever. Out to Jason Derulo for making that insult even more fun. Wine for me, doll. Oh, if you don't know that song, Tiptoe, Jason Derulo. You're welcome, boys. Look at my fucking hair, lads. Man's due for an haircut him at Cookster, I think. Me think so. Because you're worth it. Let's get this stuff. Look how dirty the wheels are. Like, it's making the car look horrible. Like, no, it's got loads of scratches on them, to be honest. They're going a different colour anyway. But let's get the shit back together. Oh, I love seeing a Subaru on the drive. Beast as fuck. Dynamic, lightweight wheels. Got the concentration. Concentric. And he smashes the eccentric. Team dynamics. Lightweight as fuck. One curls. And they're repping some class tyres. Potentum. Event Potentum. If you've not heard of them, it's probably because they're only for track use, so they don't normally get sold on the road. So he's not ready for a spin with the new shoes. Alright, let's see, lads. I can't do a brake check because there's a guy behind me, but we'll turn right in a second. Fucking hell, a bit rattly in here with this engine, isn't it? Let's see here. Yeah, we got brakes, boys. We got some stopping power. Who misses stopping power on Call of Duty? I know I do. I miss the stopping power in Juggernaut days, I'll tell you that for free. I want my bomb squad, I want my stopping power, I want my dead silence. That's what I miss. We're gonna go Asda because man wants some whiny cheese because I miss some of them as well. But we got brakes, lads. We got brakes. Who's around? Jap boys together. We can go Jap to Jap meets and stuff like that. Jap days, summer's coming up.
Mine's fixed. Yeah.
Jap days. I'm excited. Jamie East, you're next, lad. I know you've been looking at them online. You're next, lad.